Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman, kembali lagi di channel saya. Kali ini teman-teman, saya akan menunjukkan ke teman-teman cara membuat buku ya teman-teman. Jadi bukunya ini ukuran 1/4 folio. Oke teman-teman, langsung kita lihat desainnya aja dulu. Oke teman-teman, jadi desain isinya kayak begini teman-teman. Jadi ini dia satu buku, isinya hanya 12 halaman ya teman-teman. Jadi ini kita setnya di Corel Draw. Nah, nanti kita potongannya tuh di sini teman-teman, jadi dibagi dua. Nah, ini untuk isinya seperti ini teman-teman. Nah, dan covernya seperti ini. Oke teman-teman, kita mulai aja produksinya teman-teman.
Driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change. All the squads get to play and I've got something to say. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push bars, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw from the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I feel tall, every gap in space. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! To last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Jadinya seperti ini teman-teman. Oke, ini tinggal dirapikan lagi ya sisi sininya ya. Berhubung karena ini kurang dari 50 lembar, jadi kita manual aja teman-teman. Kalau lebih dari 100 mungkin bisa pakai alat yang lebih besar lagi, seperti yang sana teman-teman, alat potong untuk ukuran kertas 1 rim. Oke teman-teman, mungkin demikian video yang bisa saya bagikan ke teman-teman. Mungkin bisa bermanfaat buat teman-teman. Sampai jumpa di video lainnya ya teman-teman. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.